Multiplication. Multiplication of a 4-digit number by multiples of 10. Multiplying by any multiple of 10 is the same as multiplying by that multiple, then multiplying by 10. So 1271 times 60 is the same as 1271 times 6 times 10. We can use our columns. 1271 times 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 7 is 42. Write the 2 and carry the 4. 6 times 2 is 12, plus the 4 carried forward is 16. We write the 6 and carry 1 forward. 6 times 1 is 6, plus the 1 carried forward is 7. So 1271 times 6 is 7626. Now we need to multiply that by 10. So we just add a 0 on the end as it's a whole number. 76,260. We can use the same method when multiplying by 50. 8,812 times 50 is the same as 8,812 times 5 times 10. So let's do the multiplication. 8,812 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10. We write our 0 and carry 1 forward. 5 times 1 is 5, plus the 1 carried forward is 6. 5 times 8 is 40. We write a 0 and carry 4 forwards. 5 times 8 again is 40, plus the 4 carried forward is 44. So we have a total of 44,060. Now we need to multiply by 10. So to multiply a whole number by 10, we add an extra 0. The answer is 440,600. Or we can use the fact that 50 times 2 equals 100, or 100 divided by 2 equals 50. 8,812 times 50 is the same as 8,812 divided by 2 times 100. 8,812 divided by 2 is 4,406. Now multiply that by 100. To multiply a whole number by 100, we add 2 extra zeros, so it's 440,600. Or you could use columns for the whole calculation. 1,526 times 60. In our columns, multiplying by 0 is 0, so we move straight to the tens column. We're really multiplying by 60, so we put a 0 in the ones column and then multiply by 6. 6 times 6 is 36, so we write our 6 and carry the 3 forward. Now 2 times 6 is 12, plus the 3 carried forward is 15. We write the 5 and carry the 1. Then 6 times 5 is 30, plus the 1 carried forward is 31. We write the 1 and carry the 3 forward. Now 6 times 1 is 6, plus the 3 carried forward equals 9. So our total is 91,560. Remember, multiplying by any multiple of 10 is the same as multiplying by that multiple, then multiplying by 10. So any number times 40 is the same as any number times 4 times 10. Or any number times y with a 0 is any number times y times 10. You can use columns for all or part of the calculation. To multiply a whole number by 10, add an extra 0 at the end. When multiplying by 50, we can use the fact that 50 times 2 equals 100.